Hello family, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing fine. In case this is your first time here, you're welcome. My name is Sophia and I make hair and beauty videos, so please kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell beside it, which is the notification bell, so you get notified when I upload new videos. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a simple way to use clove and castor oil to grow strong, healthy and shiny hair. Without wasting time guys, I'm going to start. And first, I'm going to start by putting my pan on the stove, and then I go in with 150 ml of water. Next, I'm going to add 10 grams of clove into the water, and then I stir it and wait for it to boil. So guys, this is the simplest hair remedy you can ever make, and it is very effective when you use it and make it properly. Clove, when applied to your hair, it has antioxidants which help in hair growth, and it also helps to prevent dandruff, because dandruff leads to thin hair and that leads to hair breakage. So when you apply clove to your hair, it helps to prevent dandruff. Healthy scalp leads to healthy hair growth. So clove also improves blood circulation in your scalp, and that also improves growth, and it also helps you to grow strong and shiny hair. So once my water has boiled for about 5 minutes or so, I'm going to go ahead and turn off the stove, and then I'll bring it down and wait for it to cool off for a few minutes before I come and strain it. And after a few minutes of it cooling off, I'm going to go ahead and strain out the water to separate it from the clove. So now that my clove water is ready, I'm going to come in now with my black castor oil. I got this black castor oil from Amazon. Black castor oil is one of the best oil when it comes to hair growth. It is very good for your scalp and it improves hair health. So I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of that black castor oil into my clove water, and then I stir it to mix it very well. So once I've mixed it very well and properly, I'm going to go ahead and transfer it to my spray bottle from where I'll be applying it to my hair. I don't know if you notice, I make a very small quantity of this. That's because I made for just short term. I don't want to store it. I'm going to be using it for just 2 or 3 times, which is about 2 days. So I made that small quantity. If you want to make more, you can increase your quantity of clove and water and also the castor oil that you'll be adding. So this is my spray in water in the bottle. It is ready for use. Next, I'll be applying it to my hair. So here I still have on my protective style. I'm going to go ahead now and apply my spray in clove water and castor oil directly to my scalp without taking out my protective style. You can use this irrespective of the protective style that you have on. You can just spray it to your scalp. It will keep your scalp well moisturized. So this is actually a good thing to use, especially when you have on protective style. You don't want to take it down. You can be spraying this on your scalp every day to keep your scalp moisturized and to prevent it from drying out. This way your hair will stay moisturized and you can keep your protective style for as long as you want. So once I'm done spraying this on my scalp, I'm going to go ahead and massage it very well into my scalp, and then I'm good to go. So this is my hair after applying it on my hair. So guys, after making yours and using it, don't forget to come leave a comment below of how it was when you use it. See you on my next video. Bye bye.